Hi Year 2 and welcome to your phonics lesson for today. And today we're going to be learning about a silent sound. So not a sound that I can tell you what it sounds like because it's silent, which means we can't hear this sound. So for example, we've already learned about the silent B. The silent B in the word lamb, we cannot hear, okay? It's silent. The silent W in the word wrong, we cannot hear. So when we're talking about silent letters and silent sounds, it just means we can't hear them. So really they don't have a sound. So I'm going to write a word on the whiteboard and I want you to have a think about what the silent sound is. What is the silent letter in this word? So the word that I have written is the word ghost. The word ghost, a spooky ghost. What sound can we not hear in that word? That's right, it's the H. So today we're learning about the silent H. If I was to sound this word out, and I sounded out the H as well, I would say ghost. Does it? We know that this word is ghost, but it has a silent H in it. So what I'd like you to do is with your whiteboards and pens, write some of the words that I'm going to say and see if you can spell them correctly. Okay, so they have a silent H in them. So I would like you to try and write the word hour, as in, I need to start my schoolwork in 1 hour. In 1 hour. How would we spell the word hour? There is a silent H in that word. At the beginning of the word. Okay, so we can't hear the H, but it is in there. Otherwise it becomes the word hour and means something completely different. Okay, the next word, some of you have a bit of an advantage here, I would like you to spell, is the word rhombus. Okay, so the shape, rhombus. There is a silent H in the word rhombus. I can't hear the H, but there is a H in there, rhombus. Rhombus. Okay, so the silent H is the second letter here. There is no pattern really with silent H's, unfortunately. They might be at the beginning, they might be the second letter, they might be further into the word. So we really need to think about where they go and remember the spellings. So this, if I sounded it out, would be rhombus. Rhombus, but we don't say rhombus, we just spell it like that, but it is actually rhombus. Okay, I'm going to give you another word, and the word I'd like you to write now is honest. Honest. It is good to be honest. Honest. Where would that silent H go? Have a look. Do you know what that word looks like? And this one also goes at the beginning of the word, okay? Honest, honest. Sometimes when you're spelling words like this, it really helps to actually make the sound of the H to remember how to spell it. So when you're speaking, don't say, I'm really honest. You would say, I'm really honest. But when you're writing words that have silent letters in, sometimes it really helps to sound out that sound, even though you don't make the sound when you're saying the word out loud. Okay, I'm going to do one more. And the last word I would like you to write is the word rhyme. Lots of poems rhyme. Rhyme, rhyme. rhyme. Okay, our silent H is the second letter in that word. So your task for today, this is a real tricky one because it's a silent letter. Okay, so we're using our phonics in a different way to what we usually would use our phonics. So you have two tasks today. Your first task is to write a silly sentence with as many silent H words as you can. So you might want to write a list of your silent H words and then write some silly sentences. And after that, you have your quiz on Google Classroom. I'm just going to leave you with my silly silent H sentence. And I'm going to start my sentence with a capital letter, because although it's a silly sentence, it still needs a capital letter. And I'm going to start with John. The name John has a silent H in it, doesn't it? We don't say hi, John. We say